And with that, we welcome you into the broadcast booth. Jordan, this Orlando team coming in really hot. It's quite the 180 from what it's been.
Second thing.
And we are underway tonight from Orlando. Arta delivers. This one to the back post. It comes in the middle. Banda scores! Who can stop her at the moment? And Orlando leads.
And who's there to finish?
It's right back to the feet of Marta. Who's trying to feed Banda. Banda gets there. Barbara Banda. Still another chance. Banda scores again. Who is going to stop her? It's 2 goals tonight. History in Orlando. The longest regular season win streak in NWSL history.
I'll give you Tuesday off.